Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today Mojang released Snapshot 22W07A. I'll be showing you the most important tweaks and changes in this video, so if you want to find out what's new in the snapshot, just keep on watching. There weren't as many changes for the snapshot as there were bug fixes. However, if you weren't aware, in last week's snapshot, new tags were introduced for any type present in registries. This includes blocks, items, and biomes. This week though, the sole technical change is that biome tags are now used to determine which biomes a structure can generate in. This snapshot has introduced quite a few bug fixes into the game. Firstly, in a lot of snapshots and pre-releases, a small bug was that grass blocks would spawn underwater somehow. Luckily, in this snapshot, the developers have resolved this issue. Secondly, an odd bug that kept occurring in players' games was that glow squid would spawn in villager farms and wells in superflat worlds. However, this was tweaked in this week's snapshot and shouldn't happen anymore. A big bug that was present in last week's snapshot was that whenever a player would try to open a beacon GUI, the game would crash. Fortunately, in this week's snapshot, that issue is no longer present, and players no longer crash upon opening the beacon interface. Moving on, previously if you upgraded your world to 1.18 but it had active repeating command blocks, the command blocks would randomly stop running. For example, if you convert a world from 1.17 to 1.18 and go into an area with the field of repeating command blocks, some repeating command blocks stop working. If we press this button, it should quickly make all white concrete blocks flash red. However, as you can see, at least one of them stays white, meaning the command block isn't functioning as intended. This was a big inconvenience for adventure map makers, but thankfully this issue has now been resolved. Lastly, a bug that would occur in 1.18 and 1.18.1 was that tropical fish would spawn in places they shouldn't. For example, if you went to a lush caves biome and created a water elevator, after a little bit of waiting, tropical fish would spawn in the bubble columns. Some players thought this was intended, but since it wasn't, the creators have removed that bug in the snapshot. Those are all the important changes that have been made on the snapshot, but if you want to check out the full snapshot article, the link will be in the description. Furthermore, you can head over to Server.pro and make a free server if you want to explore the snapshot with friends. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more from my channel though, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching!